I am mad excited today because today I am revealing something that you, my fam, have been begging for, hitting me up in the DMs for, typing in all the comments that you've been asking for. And I'm finally excited to share with my fam merch! And it's here! It's here! Dun 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 dun. Merch! We've got merch! Plenty kinds of them! Picked out, finalized, and designed by us to you. By us for you. It's been over a year that we've been doing this show, and ever since day one, you guys have been asking for specific things that you could wear to celebrate Hello and Hunnay, and just ways to rep, you know, wherever you are living in your own hometown. And I've been looking for the right company that will make the shirts exactly how I want them with a fun kick. The one that I'm wearing here is a basic Hello Hunnay V-neck tee. It's fitted with a little bit more of a slimming shape to your side so that it doesn't feel too boxy. Also, hoodies like this that actually have a V-neck to it. I think the V-neck cut is my favorite. Blush pink is like one of my favorite colors, and it's fuzzy on the inside. You know when you get a fresh hoodie and it's got that really yummy like fuzzy on the inside that makes you feel all warm and cozy? That's what this has. It doesn't shrink, it also doesn't over outstretch, and it's not too thick that you feel kind of bulky. It's just right. I specifically picked out material and fabrics that you could cut and customize to make your own, because I walk around and customize t-shirts all day long, and I buy them in extra larger sizes so that I can make them shapes that I want. Or they can be worn just as so, and they've got these cool finished edges on the bottom. I know, you're welcome.
Hold on, take it easy, take it easy. All right. Ta-da-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Kika! First of all,
You make t-shirts too?
I do. That's my merchandise. Well, what happened? That's a nice one, especially for the winter time. It's very nice. Extra large. Don't worry, my mom might wear it.
Who did this?
It's nice. You don't like it?
No, I just didn't know that you were gonna come out with t-shirts too.
I do. Hello, honey. Don't worry. Very comfortable, you know, especially for winter time. You can wear this one. When you wear this one, that means you miss Mama Mai. You're thinking about Mama Mai. Not only that, very comfortable. You can move up and down, exercise, whatever. Oh, yeah, a little bit.
Mom, did you see my merch? How good it looks?
How come you have your name? I don't have a name. What's wrong? Would they forget my name on it?
Because that's what happens when it's your show.
Whatever, they will like them first of all. Believe me, I'm gonna sell better than you. Fam, you better follow Mama Mai
Wait,
first of all.
You're telling me you could sell more of your merch than me?
I think so.
You think people are gonna walk around looking like this cutout rainbow cake right here?
They like it, that's better. First of all, rather than put your name on it.
First of all, isn't even correct grammar.
Who cares? That's why they like it. That's my, signature.
I specifically chose this type of font because I think you guys want to tell the world about your favorite show. I think it's very important that you walk around and people say, "Hello, Hunnay, what does that mean?" And you tell them about the episodes where we've bonded together, you guys have connected with us. This is a statement maker. When you wear a shirt like that, people will think that you don't speak English.
No, anytime we talk, we say first of all, second of all, third of all, final table, and last of all. The best one, first of all.
First of all,
You see, you mentioned first of all right away. That's why you have to wear this one.
okay,
Very
whatever.
common.
This is for you guys to celebrate. I really don't care whose shirt or whose hoodie you buy. I mean, at the end of the day, if you guys are repping the show, you're repping my fam, then we here. I want to get tagged in Instagram so I can see where you're wearing it. When you wear our shirts, I feel like we're a part of the same understanding. Keep it trill, keep getting better and stronger in your own individual life.
Right, even you wear to go to sleep, that's fine.
Yeah.
That's when you're thinking about us.
Even though,
Take action.
yes, and you could cut these as hooch as you want and get some at the same
Right,
time. It's
right.
all up to you. But if you, Mama Mai, are challenging me, that's a different story because I'm a very competitive person. You should know, you had me. So if you're challenging me,
Okay.
then I absolutely will accept that challenge because I guarantee that there's a lot of people out there that are going to want to wear this gauzy, beautiful, blush pink little glass of rosé that you call a sweatshirt that says in beautiful font, Hello Hunnay with your favorite cousin Jeannie, Jeannie Mai.
Oh no, she did not. It's a merch throwdown.
Or if you like something a little bit more understated but slimming, you can go for this black tee that gives you the perfect elegant shape. You can wear it with jeans, a blazer. You can wear it underneath a pajama set just like I have here. These two are bound to get your, these two are bound to be the, these two are bound to be awesome conversational pieces anywhere you go. And I'm so glad that you guys already can see this in your size in your collection.
That's fine if you have a nice body like her, but if you have a big body like me, don't worry. First of all,
These come in different sizes, by the way.
Whatever. You can wash this shit, or you can go exercise, you can talk to your friend, or go to McDonald's, or Burger King, and whatever, Pizza Hut, whatever, comfortable. Long sleeve or short sleeve, either way.
Just so you know, mine are also comfortable and they also come in a variety of sizes. It doesn't mean that hers are.
But yours is nice. It's not bad. But I'm trying to say
Mom,
the color is sad, boring. Okay, my color they can see you 10 miles away.
Mom, everybody needs to own a black T-shirt. Every woman, every man, every child needs to own a black T-shirt in their collection.
I agree with you about that.
And then this color is very elegant. It just makes everything look feminine and light and fresh.
I agree. When you want to move the furniture, whatever, you wear the black shirt. Whatever. Yes, I know the black shirt. Everything. I agree. That's good. It's not bad.
What kind of bet can we place if you sell more merch? And what kind of bet can we place if I sell more merch?
If I sell more than you,
okay,
I will do your makeup, the hair, stylist, everything with my way for you to go eat dinner with DJ. Kikaka!
Wait. Hair, my makeup?
And then your clothes, whatever. I tell you to wear what I want.
Wait, in public?
Of course, in the public. Don't worry, that's fine.
Okay, fine. If you win, then you can do my hair, my makeup, and style me, and send me off on a public date with Jay.
Hi.
And I'll make an episode out of it.
Yeah.
If I win...
But you have to remember, sometimes I put it on, doesn't match like this. And this one doesn't match.
I know exactly what you look like. I've known for 41 years.
You still have to wear it.
I know exactly what you look like.
All right.
But if I win, then I want you and Uncle Ted to have a counseling session right here on Hello Hunnay with an actual counselor.
I'm ready, action. I'm worried for Uncle Ted. After counseling, we got a headache because of him. The counseling will need more counselor.
I'm just sick and tired.
Not Uncle Ted, okay?
I'm just sick and tired of you two opinionated, outspoken people complaining about each other. So I want to see it here now. You guys have an actual counseling session because everybody loves Uncle Ted and you guys all love Mama Maya, and of course we want them to be happy together. And I'm sick and tired of people thinking that you only go to counseling or therapy when you're having problems. You also go to learn new tools on how to have a better relationship with people you love.
Fine. I will give 1 bottle of aspirin for the counselor. Take it before I talk to Uncle Ted. Fine.
Deal.
I don't mind.
Merch is for sale. You can get a beautiful blush hoodie like this that says Hello Hunnay with your fave cuz.
Yes.
Or a Hello Hunnay t-shirt just like this in any size that you want. And you can see it by just clicking on the link below. So I got you covered. This Hello Hunnay black t-shirt, I want to let you know, it runs smaller. This hoodie runs true to size. I can tell that if this is an extra large here, this runs large for its size. I would order down a size if you want this to fit true to size. Otherwise, I like to order my things oversized, and I'll share with you how I like to cut up my merchandise and just make it unique to myself. So guys, it's a fish. It's Hello Hunnay versus, first of all, Team Jeannie or
Team Mama Mai.
Team Jeannie, Team Jeannie, Team Jeannie.
Team Mama Mai, Mama Mai, Mama Mai.
And don't forget, most importantly, please, when you get your merch, tag Hello Hunnay so I can see where you're wearing it. Pick up a couple of these because it's so fun to just wear around your house while you're lounging, getting on Zoom meetings. Oh my God.
My God, what is it?
All right, now I'm also going to show you, if you guys follow me on Instagram at the Jeannie Mai, I'll show you different ways that I love to cut up my merch. You can wear it the way it is. Like I have a static one that I just keep exactly the way it is, but then I also like to cut some. My first of all t-shirt that I bought because I'm a VIP and I cropped it so that it gives a little interesting waistline to anything you're wearing underneath.
And mine.
I also gave it a V-neck because like I said, V-necks for everything. I love V-necks when it comes to t-shirts. I'm a Mama Mai stan.
That's good. That's great. My goodness. Yeah, it could be mama my whatever.
Paul, can you follow me? First of all, you've got to lay out whatever it is that you want to cut super flat on a flat surface so you can see exactly what you're working with. Something cool I've learned from Marav is how to turn sleeves into bat sleeves for a basic long sleeve shirt like this. Something like this would normally cling to your body because it's going to be fitted like a thermal. I'm going to make it a little bit more loose and boxy for my body.
You want to start by cutting from the armpit at an angle, and yeah, like, well, not in a circular angle, in a straight angle. Yeah.
So check out your armpit, and remember that when you make a bat sleeve, you want this top portion to be longer than the bottom portion to your pit so that it kind of drapes over like a small little bat sleeve. So I'm going to take from this armpit and cut diagonally.
Remember $1 scissors. Be careful.
What?
$1 store scissors.
What are you talking about? Yeah. Mom.
Okay. That's because $1 store scissors. Gosh.
Ooh, that's good. You could also use fabric chalk if you want to mark it out, but I'm kind of a pro at this. It's so easy for you. I'm gonna do a little tear.
When you do a tear, the secret is do a little cut, but then to use your fingers to stretch it out.
Cut like this. And then use your fingers to just tear it very gently.
Okay. That's a big eyeball right there. Cut it right here. Where you gonna cut it?
It's always better to do it a little bit lower than higher
Disengage, yeah.
because then you can always cut shorter.
Adjust.
You can't add more length.
I'm thinking it should be cut here, but Marav is guiding me to go a couple inches lower just in case it's too short. These scissors are so cheap.
I told you, $1 store scissors. That's how it turned out like that.
Mom, look at, they don't even cut.
There's certain things you don't buy at the dollar store.
Whatever.
I have a great customized tee that's gonna fit over my sweats. What you don't wanna do is get too scissor happy and cut things in a way that can become very, I don't know, vulgar or graphic.
That's because I thought I want to be like a, like a Flintstone, the cartoon. Da 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 da. Be careful, they're gonna see your pen eyes. Be careful, your pen eyes. On the other side, my big hole.
We so love that you guys are gonna be able to celebrate your favorite show at home, and do tag us so we can see where you're wearing our merch.
Subscribe.
We love you guys.
Bye.